Hi, and welcome to Max Bernatech. As stated as the title of the video, I will unboxing and overview the V1000 Cooler Master Power Supply. Right here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Right here. The V1000 is well packed with a half inch of foam on all sides plus a PSU cozy. As stated before, all the cables are fully modular. Aside from the 24-pin main connector, all of the cable are flat. All of the modular connectors are clearly labeled for your reference. Standard honeycomb mesh provides the exhaust ventilation alongside the AC input and on-off rocker switch. The 135mm fan is surrounded by brushed aluminum trim for added visual appeal. Both sides features the same V1000 logo with the opposite being inverted. The V1000 is a fully modular cable design. It incorporates a single 1000 watt plus 12 volt output that delivers up to 83 ampere with the 8 PCIe 6 plus 2 pin connectors to support high-end GPU. It is rated for 80 plus cold efficiency. This means that the power supply can perform up to 90% efficiency at 50% loads, but is not certificate for 100% continuous output at 50 Celsius. Instead, the V1000 is rated for 100% continuous output at 40 Celsius. This isn't because the unit cannot handle the temperatures, but because this is what Cooler Master certify all of the units for. The Cooler Master V1000 fan provides all the active cooling for the V1000 power supply. One of the interesting things about this unit is that the fan is nearly silent until around 70% load, operating between 800 RPM and 1600 RPM depending on the temperature of the unit. This makes the V1000 ideal for those seeking a quiet power supply. The V1000 is going to be a power supply that will be a great performer both now and years to come. Perhaps it will even become one of the models that everyone knows about, as it is a great on every level. So, what do you think about this V1000 Cooler Master power supply? Before this video ends, don't forget to slap the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and until next time.